Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Today it's a hot day. We have three regular Sudokus, three hot Sudokus in today's daily newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, August the 5th, 2020. Three regular Sudokus, a binary Sudoku, a regular medium Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku. But first, we will start with this one, a binary Sudoku, and this one will be number 1286 1286. Yes. And what kind of binary Sudoku is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary Sudoku. Binary, that means in a row or in a column there are 5 ones and 5 O's. The same with a column. This is a row and a column. We need 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Double one. Here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Then let me see. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there O. Between two ones comes in 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 O. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. We have here 4 ones. Between two one, double one, here O, there O. We have 5 O's in this row, so the rest are ones. Double one, here and O, there and O. Between two O's comes in 1. Then. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double one, here and O, there and O. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Now I have 5 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. And then let me see. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Yeah. And now we have here 4 O's. If I place the 5th O here, then we have 4 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed. One of the rules is no more than 2 ones in a row. Yes. So here cannot be an O. Here must be a 1. If I place the 5th O here, then we still have 3 ones in a row. Not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1 here, an O, there an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, an O, there an O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's. If I place the 5th O here, then we have 4 ones in a row. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. If I place in this row the 5th O here, I still have 3 ones in a row. Not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double 1 here, an O, there an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. This is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 O's. So the rest are 1's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 1's. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, and O there, and O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, and O there, and O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 O's. Finish in 7 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this binary Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. Thank you for watching. I will continue in a minute with the third regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. So I will see you in a minute. Thank you and bye bye. See you soon.